Decor Designs, where we turn your vision of a beautiful home into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Today we're stepping outside to talk about one of the most exciting home improvements you can make: the outdoor deck kitchen. Imagine cooking and entertaining under the open sky. No more running back and forth to your indoor kitchen. If you've been dreaming of taking your outdoor space to the next level, this video is your blueprint. An outdoor deck kitchen, often simply called an outdoor kitchen, is a dedicated cooking and prep area constructed on an existing or new deck structure. It moves beyond a simple portable grill to become a fully functional, integrated culinary space. Typically, it includes a built-in grill, countertops for preparation, and often features extras like sinks, refrigerators, storage cabinets, and sometimes even a pizza oven or bar seating. The key difference between an outdoor deck kitchen and a patio kitchen is its elevated structure, which requires specific attention to weight distribution, materials, and safety, especially regarding fire protection and structural integrity. Essentially, it transforms your deck from just a lounging space into a dynamic open-air entertainment hub. The benefits of integrating a kitchen into your deck are transformative, going far beyond just making meal prep easier. First and foremost, it maximizes your entertaining potential. Hosting parties becomes seamless when you can cook, converse, and serve all in one beautiful area, keeping the host engaged with their guests instead of isolated in the indoor kitchen. Secondly, it adds significant value to your home. Outdoor living spaces are highly sought after by homebuyers, and a custom, well-designed outdoor kitchen is a major selling point and a solid return on investment. Furthermore, it allows you to expand your living space in the warmest months, essentially giving you an extra room for dining and relaxation. Finally, cooking outside means keeping heat and strong cooking smells out of your house, leading to a cooler, cleaner indoor environment during the summer. Decorating your outdoor deck kitchen is all about blending functionality with beautiful, cohesive design. Start by establishing a theme, whether it's rustic, modern, tropical, or minimalist, and let your materials guide you. Color and texture are crucial. Use weather-resistant textiles for cushions and pillows in a coordinated palette, and introduce natural elements like potted herbs or small ornamental trees to soften the look. Layered lighting is essential for both ambience and safety. Think built-in counter lights for task visibility, string lights like bistro lights for a festive glow over the dining area, and maybe even a dramatic pendant light over a bar. Don't forget the power of accessories. High-quality serving platters, stylish glassware, and even a decorative outdoor rug under the dining set can elevate the space from basic to boutique. The goal is to make the space feel like a natural extension of your home's interior. When selecting items for your outdoor deck kitchen, prioritize durability and weather resistance alongside function. The centerpiece is, of course, the grill. Opt for a high-quality, built-in model made of stainless steel for longevity. Next, invest in marine-grade or stainless steel cabinetry for storage to protect utensils, tools, and supplies from moisture and pests. A mini fridge or beverage center is a game-changer, keeping drinks and perishable ingredients within easy reach. For appliances, a side burner adds versatility, allowing you to boil pasta or sauté vegetables outside. Finally, choose all-weather furniture made from materials like treated teak, powder-coated aluminum, or high-density polyethylene (HD) wicker, ensuring comfort and resilience against the elements. These core elements will ensure your deck kitchen is both beautiful and built to last. And to complete your inspiration and spark your creativity, here these the compilation of the top 10 best outdoor deck kitchen ideas to inspire you for your next project. 1. Rustic Industrial Chef's Countertop. This stunning, minimalist design features a light concrete-style countertop framing a large big green egg-style smoker. The clever open shelf underneath, stacked high with cut firewood, not only provides practical storage but also serves as a beautiful rustic textural element against the clean lines of the counter. The simple backdrop and wide plank deck flooring enhance the focus on cooking as an art form. 2. Stone fireplace and entertainment center. A true outdoor great room. This design incorporates a majestic floor-to-ceiling stone fireplace and chimney stack, complete with a mounted weatherproof TV above the hearth. Flanking the fireplace is a built-in grill and sleek granite countertop kitchen island, all protected by a soaring covered patio structure. The rich stone veneer provides a warm, permanent, and luxurious feel. 3. Modern poolside oasis with seamless integration. This contemporary deck kitchen boasts a clean white cabinet system with a sleek black countertop, featuring a built-in sink and grill. The use of a smooth, light-colored glass backsplash and a full-height glass door/window system creates a seamless visual connection to the sparkling blue pool just steps away, maximizing the light and the luxury resort feel. For the ultimate backyard bar and lounge shed. This is a premium entertainment setup, featuring a detached, modern wood-clad structure housing a full indoor-style bar and sitting area, complemented by a dramatic black pergola section over the deck. The neon sign and subtle lighting create a high-end, exclusive lounge atmosphere, making it the perfect spot for late-night gatherings and televised sports. 5. Compact and stylish urban courtyard kitchen. Ideal for smaller backyards or urban settings, this design maximizes a tight space with a practical L-shaped kitchen featuring modern gray cabinetry and stainless steel appliances. The light, warm wood decking and covered awning provide a cozy environment, paired with a simple black dining set and a vertical wood slat fence for privacy and texture. 6. Timber-framed pavilion with pizza oven. This expansive rustic kitchen is sheltered by a magnificent exposed timber frame roof structure, set against a stunning autumn forest backdrop. The kitchen features substantial stone bases supporting a high-end grill, a charcoal smoker, and most notably, a striking wood-fired pizza oven with a copper chimney. The herringbone-patterned deck floor adds a touch of sophisticated detail. 7. Curved deck kitchen with stone accents. A beautiful example of blending function with a multi-level deck's architecture. The built-in grill station follows the gentle curve of the deck, encased in a stacked stone facade that anchors the space. Crisp white railings and comfortable plush outdoor seating offer a relaxed, classic ambience perfect for enjoying a wooded, natural view. 8. Sleek, minimalist covered barbecue station. Featuring a dark, contemporary aesthetic, this covered kitchen unit showcases matte black cabinetry and a light gray countertop, perfectly contrasting with the surrounding natural wood ceiling and cladding. The large, professional-grade grill and a double-door undercounter beverage refrigerator ensure maximum efficiency and modern style in a protected outdoor nook. 9. Elegant white pergola and bar setup. A gorgeous, large deck featuring a white pergola structure that provides filtered shade and vertical interest. The kitchen area is set against the railing, boasting stainless steel appliances, a white bar counter with seating, and is integrated beautifully into the multi-toned wood deck. This design creates distinct zones for cooking, dining, and mingling. 10. Elevated deck bar and grill station. This compact and functional kitchen is built directly into an elevated wood deck railing, featuring bar seating with dark wicker stools. The counter space flanks a professional-style stainless steel grill, with rich, warm-toned wood panels and a decorative stone insert below the counter. It's a perfect example of maximizing a smaller deck footprint for both cooking and social interaction. As you can see, an outdoor deck kitchen is more than just a place to cook. It's an investment in your lifestyle and expansion of your home, and a centerpiece for making unforgettable memories. From the warm glow of a pizza oven to the sleek lines of a modern grill station, these ideas prove that your deck can become your favorite room in the house. When planning your own space, remember to prioritize durable, weather-resistant materials and smart zoning to create a flow that works for how you love to live and entertain. So, which of these incredible deck kitchens is going to be your inspiration? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more luxury home and garden inspiration, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss our next design deep dive. Check the description box for links to some of the best outdoor kitchen appliance brands we recommend.